my gatos. Oh, see, this is a problem that I have always putting these things on. It's just that the angle, it's not working for me. Mira. It's just not working for me, man. Stupid truck. I don't have a gun.
Yeah. What's up, Raza? Back at it again. We're preparing to go to a big truck meet that's going to be in Portland in 2 weeks. We're working on the trucks today. Today we're just putting underglow, something that I've been wanting to do for a while. We bought underglow for the Boricua and for the Lobo many months ago, like over half a year ago. And then he's also going to put side skirts on the Cateye. My man, the goat. We've gotten a lot of questions on this is, what's the body kit? What's the body kit? He's done this on the Lobo and the Boricua. You should stay tuned for that because you might be interested on how my man does this. I think he's very smart and intelligent, and I think it's very creative and it's very cheap. 40 bucks. So we started the process of putting the underglow under the Cateye. It's the first truck.
We gotta get some flat stock or something, some kind of flat metal strips, so we could put the light on there and then bolt it onto the wherever we're gonna put it on. You can't just put the light on a frame or on the body. You gotta build like a little bracket system to be able to put the lights back tucked in, you know. We're gonna go Home Depot and find out what we could find to use or something like that.
It's a little bit of a day today, but come to Home Depot with us. It's always snowballing. It doesn't end, guys. It doesn't end. It never ends. Projects don't end. And if they tell you they do, they're lying. That looks good. I don't know what I'm talking about, but he asked me, so then that means I do know what I'm talking about. Period. We should get the ones with holes in them.
We didn't have this stuff.
Lexi also knows what she's talking about. You just have to guess. Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
This what you were talking about?
Yeah. Period. We said we needed roughly 66 feet. We already did the back. Working on the sides now. This is the part where he's putting the reinforcements, right? Yeah.
Oh shit, I should have done it longer.
Is this fixable?
Now I need zip ties. Zip ties. What's up, Raza? Back at it again. So today we're in the little garage. We're doing this girl's truck. We're doing underglow. And guys, we always talk about these side skirts or these gutters. This is what we got going on, guys. Put an underglow under and you can see the light. So we're like, might as well go get some gutters, do a video on how we install the gutters or slash side skirts on the Cateye, guys. So stay tuned and you guys are gonna see. Right now we have it just laid out and we'll bring you guys back so you guys can see how it looks. That being said, we'll get back to you guys. Oh my gatos. Oh, see, this is a problem that I have always putting these things on. It's just that the angle, it's not working for me. Mira. It's just not working for me, man. Stupid truck. I don't have a gun. Andan hablando a mis espaldas, algo les calo. finally got the Cateye done. We did the gutters. When she comes back, you guys gonna see how it turned out. We still gotta paint them, but for right now, we gotta see if it's gonna clear the speed bumps. So she might not come back with one, but we'll see. The underglow is done. The gutter slash side skirts are done. When she comes back, make sure it clears. If not, then we're gonna figure out. We're gonna have to figure some more shit out. With that being said, stay tuned.
The problem is if you've been following us, you know that the frame of the Cateye is like, I can't remember if we said it was 3 or 4 inches off the ground. That's already an issue. And this is her daily. After putting those on, those were 1 inch off the ground. The underglow looks really good. So you could see he did raise it a little bit on the corner.
They fell off?
Yeah.
The back ones?
Yeah. Those were the end caps that he put on the ends. He did say they might come off.
That says the whole thing was gonna tear off.
Well, he did say that too. Not a bad result, not a bad result.
On to the next one.
It's been a little bit of a hectic night. We finally got the Boricua in here. Boricua's next for the underglow. You can see right here, she don't need side skirts though. She's already got side skirts. Gutters, we got gutters. We just found out, not only is he working on the Boricua now and the Lobo's supposed to be next, we just found out that a truck club has a cruise to Altai tonight, probably an hour plus from us. We're gonna try and make it. And I don't know how realistic that is. Considering the underglow is not on the Boricua yet, the Lobo still needs to be done too. So I don't know how realistic it is that we're gonna make it. We're gonna try. We also had to go get propane because it's 32 degrees outside. It's raining and it's snow mix. Immediate no for me. My wheels up.
All right, raza. So now we got Boricua done. Got the Cateye, Boricua, and look at this, guys. Muñeca's very happy with that.
Very happy.
So there it is.
How you feel about this?
I think it looks like it's on fire. It looks like it's overheating. It looks good. It looks good. I like it. So yeah, raza. So that's it. That was a mission of the day. Stay tuned, raza. We're probably gonna be going to a cruise. We'll see how that's gonna go down. It's fucking cold. Ready to warm up.
I'm having a very proud little moment. Feeling very fortunate because I know my man didn't want to do this today. It's not that he didn't want to do it. It's just so cold outside, and he's a one-man army like he always says. You know, there's only so much that I can do to help him, but he still did it. We did sit down and eat some food, and I know he got really tired. And I said, look, if you're too tired, you don't want to continue, I totally support that. He's like, the lights aren't going to put themselves on. So I feel very lucky, very fortunate that he did put this on for me tonight. I'm very, very happy with the results. I'm ready to go on a cruise. Boricua's ready to go on a cruise. I'm excited. Feeling good about it. Feeling good about it. It took us about 2 hours to get here. We had to mop. Everybody showed up pretty much at the same time that we did though, which is nice. So we're gonna get out and we're gonna check it out. Look at the trucks, they look really nice. And anytime you come to Seattle, you always have a really nice view here. And just like that, in this point of view, I think we spent but an hour or less here. Done. I was just about to go sit in the truck because it is so cold outside. And wouldn't you know it, I got rushed to my truck anyways. So I guess as far as I know, we're heading home. We spent forever getting here to not spend very much time and then leave. And it sucks because it was so cold the whole time, but this is literally why we can't wait so much for summer. But it was still a good time. We still got the underglow on the trucks. It's funny because we were talking about the Cateye. You can't really see it that good. It's like, why isn't it that bright? It's because the truck's so low. The Boricua, though, on the other hand, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I don't know. I still made it to my warm truck. That's all I gotta say.